In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an external microphone to Google Meet. Whether you're trying to enhance your audio quality for a professional meeting or simply want to ensure that your voice is heard clearly, using an external mic can make a significant difference. Follow these straightforward steps, and you'll be set up in no time. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. Google Calendar is particularly useful because it integrates seamlessly with Google Meet, making it easy to manage your meetings. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, find the meeting event you want to join. Click on this meeting event, and this action will provide you with a summary of the meeting details, including the option to join via Google Meet. Now, locate and click on the Join with Google Meet button. This button is your gateway to launching Google Meet directly from Google Calendar. After clicking, you will be taken to a new screen where you can prepare to enter the meeting. Next, find and click on the Join Now button. By doing so, you'll be officially entering your Google Meet meeting. At this point, before the meeting officially starts or as it's getting underway, you'll want to set up your external microphone to ensure your audio quality is crisp and clear. Look around the Google Meet interface and locate the microphone option. This is typically represented by a small microphone icon or found within the settings menu of Google Meet. Clicking this will reveal your audio input options. At this point, a list of available microphones should appear. From this list, select your external microphone, which might be indicated by a name such as USB condenser microphone or something similar, depending on the model you have. Selecting the external mic instructs Google Meet to use it as your audio input source, which can significantly enhance your sound quality. It's essential to ensure the external microphone is properly connected to your computer before you start these steps. Some microphones may require drivers or additional settings on your computer, so make sure everything is appropriately set up. Once you've selected your external mic, it's a good idea to do a quick test to confirm that it's working correctly. You might want to ask a colleague to verify that they can hear you clearly, and that's it. You're all set up to use an external microphone with Google Meet. Remember, using a high-quality mic can not only improve the clarity of your voice, but also enhance the overall experience for everyone attending the meeting. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you improve your audio setup on Google Meet.